Radios, uniforms, C4, scuba gear, harnesses, cable trolley, and one safe-cracking robot.
So we're good, right?
We are good.
Let's get to Miami.
Wait. We gotta give this place one last sweep. We don't want to leave anything incriminating behind.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to go.
What the fuck is that hissing?
Oh, shit! You thought you could hide from me, Mendoza? I taught you everything you know!
How's it going, Nick? God damn it, shoot this prick!
Oh, gun jam. That's some bad luck. Bye-bye. Nick! Damn it, Kai! Yeah, sorry.
It's Dawes.
What, you want to answer? Say hello? Straight to dead guy voicemail.
Wait, what are you doing?
Dawes is gonna probably want an update. I'm sending him one. Tyson, where the hell are you? You should have come out of there by now.
It's been over an hour.
Maybe he got lost.
There's a sign on the door that leads to the tank. How hard could it be?
Hey guys, sorry, I got lost.
Where the hell are you?
Finding the water tank was easy. Finding the drainage, not so much. More pipes than a church organ in there.
Hey, Tyson, man, stay away from the cameras.
Relax. All they're seeing is a hard-working window washer.
Get the cable ready. We're moving in. Minimal radio contact from here on out.
Got it.
Man, the Dawes have put his office in a more evil-looking building?
Be glad he's in that building. Otherwise, we'd be screwed.
We're in hurricane season.
Man, between his biometric elevators and all the bulletproof glass, Dawes must think that penthouse of his is pretty much impregnable.
I guess we'll find out, won't we?
Come on. Tyson's dropping the cable any minute. Here's the van.
Just give me a minute.
Come on, kind of on the clock here, Boomer.
Yeah, I know. One thing. Are you guys really sure about this?
A little late for that, isn't it?
Look, I'm just asking. Look, if I was gonna have 1 million gallons of water drop
200,000.
or 200,000 gallons or whatever, I would want someone to make sure I'm safe. That's all I'm saying.
Hey, you got another way up to that penthouse, I'll take it. And blowing out that stabilizer tank was your idea.
Hey, it seemed a lot more doable when we weren't about to do it.
Jesus.
Tyson's back on schedule. Give me the C4.
Here.
Got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in here too?
Well, I could write bomb across it if you want.
Come on, let's get this over with.
Get the cable to the boat.
Man, I ought to be up there with the brute.
You want to trade jobs?
You know, actually, I think I'm good. Have fun.
Nice try.
If you want to get a look into the lobby, the parking garage on the right has a good vantage. There's a few ways inside.
Looks like it.
How many men does it take to guard an office?
Loading dock in the back, mezzanine staircase.
Stop! Keep those hands. Wait. Whoa, whoa.
I got this one, Nick.
Try focusing on those monitors.
Are there any actually good games for these things?
There's tons of good games. What do you mean by good?
I want to be able to shoot a guy in the head and watch the game.
Maybe that is it.
Man, that car moves. We can't stop a gun.
Hands up! Stay right with me.
Y'all over there? Guys got plenty to lose.
Damn. Gotta try something else. Freeze!
Every night and every morning.
Damn! You see that?
Over there! He's right over there! I lost him! Watch out for this guy! You see this guy, you kill him!
He's gotta be over here.
Hands up!
Look out! Get this guy!
Come on, get him!
He's around here somewhere. Let's go. Get him out of there. This way.
I lost him!
He went over here. He went this way! Where'd he go?
Put your hands up. There's gotta be a clue here. Okay, bet I can figure out this code. Kai, elevator's unlocked.
A lot of guards for the 4th of July, huh?
Think Dawes knows we're coming?
Maybe. But not how.
Guys, I'm on the 19th floor, but it's a guard party up here.
All right, then we go to 20.
Hit him from above. Nice.
So tell me, what'd you do for 4th of July when you were a kid?
You know, put fish sauce on hot dogs, watch stuff explode. Tyson, we're on 20.
Welcome to Preferred Outcomes. I'm outside a corner office. Looks like it's under construction.
We're on our way. Stop right there. Yep.
Office. Looks like it's under construction.
We're on our way. Hold it. Hold it right there.
We got a problem.
Freeze. Stay right where you are.
Yeah, no problem.
You guys probably still around.
I want to see what's up.
Hey, check over there.
Be ready for anything.
Come on, look around. Be on the lookout.
Watch out for anything.
Down.
Hold it.
looking.
Check over there.
Put your hands up.
Go, now!
Jesus, guys, this glass had better be bulletproof for my sake.
Over there! Let's go! Hey, look out!
Let them out.
Over there!
Gas them out.
Over there! Over there! He's here!
Tyson said he was in the corner office, right? Here, Boomer packed you a lunch.
Hey, you know, I actually haven't robbed a place in probably 8 days.
Hey, you sure you found the right pipe?
I'm sure. And I think you two are nuts.
Let's get upstairs.
Now comes the fun part.
Dawes relies on that private elevator to keep his penthouse safe.
Boomer did say it was unhackable.
Good thing we're not hacking it.
All clear. You two Aquanauts can blow the charges anytime.
10-4.
That's Dawes' wife in that photo.
Put your mask on.
You sure about this?
Hey, if we want that money, I have to push this button.
Right.
Back in LA, you told me to trust you, and I did.
And look where that got you. Say, relax, Kai. It's gonna work.
I have no idea if this is gonna work.
Then I guess it is my turn to trust you. Do it.
You good?
Yeah, but we better let Tyson in. Let's hurry. Someone's bound to call 911 about the explosion.
Doubt it. Dawes wouldn't want any cops around here. Here we go.
Well, it's nice to see you're both still alive. I'll say this, for a former cop, Dawes has taste. Now that is a $24,000 coffee table.
You know those magazines for rich people that no rich person actually reads?
I subscribe to all of them. Unlike you two bivalves, I have an appreciation for the finer things.
Hey, come on. Just get the brute working on the vault.
Okay. Where the hell is it?
Oh, shit.
Good question.
Okay, everybody look around. Douchebag.
Oh, hello.
Something tells me Dawes read a lot of comic books as a kid.
All right, here goes. Okay, there, that. That should do it. Okay, Brute, do your thing.
You're not gonna keep an eye on it?
It's not like it needs encouragement.
Guys, I got bad news.
Let me guess. Company. How many?
You remember my worst case scenario?
Yeah?
That big.
All right, they're coming. Get ready.
There's weapons in Dawes' office. Set up for these guys. Traps, explosives, anything you've got. They're gonna be coming at us down those hallways.
We need to slow these guys down.
Nick, if you've got trip mines, set them up now. Footsteps.
They're here.
Make sure no one's here. Keep an eye out. Look all over. Guys, right here! Over there! Over there! Get back! Get it! Watch out! Look out! Nick, don't forget! Nick, move! Ah, shit! Whoa! Stop it! Get back! Oh, damn it!
How much longer for the brute?
I don't know, maybe it'll beep when it's done. You know, like a microwave.
Oh, shit, they cut the power.
They're coming. If you've got a night vision scope, now's the time to use it.
If not, check the weapons locker in Dawes' office.
Look all over. Check over there.
You see someone? Fuck them up.
Right out. Keep an eye out. No one is here. Any You look over there?
Okay, he's over there! Got one! Mendoza, watch it! Get back! Look out!
Right here, Nick.
Watch it! Nick! My God! Hey! Shit! Watch it, man!
Mendoza, the brute cracked it. Come on, baby. Holy shit, the vault's unlocked. Time to clean this place out. Get back!
Tyson! Oh, Jesus.
Kai?
He's alive. Black Vest saved him. Hey, stay with me, baby. I'm right here.
I'm with you.
Yeah. We gotta get him out of here. Come on.
The vault.
Get him.
He pulled the money.
Get him to the wire.
This way.
Dawes knew we were coming. You didn't get me.
I guess not. You are interestingly hard to kill.
We're not done. I'm not done!
You know what? I believe that. I do. So let's make it easy. I'm on Santa Rosada. It's not far.
I know where the fuck it is!
Then by all means, come find me, boy.
God damn it!
Nick, we gotta get out of here. Come on, Mendoza. We're taking the line. Boomer's gonna catch you, all right?
Boomer, Tyson's coming down. Clip on. I'll be right behind you.
Where are they?
Shit!
Find them, check them out.
Hurry!
There they are! You! Stop right there!
Go! Go!
Nick, where the fuck are you?
We're coming!
Boomer, did Tyson make it?
You guys better get here fast!
God damn.
He's gonna be okay.
I don't know. He's pretty messed up.
I'll drive. You help out Kai.
Hey! Yo, where you going?
We're gonna go see Dawes.
How do you know where he is?
He told me.